Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you aloe vera and castor oil face mask. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Aloe vera is one of the best ingredients for skin conditioning. The gel from the plants helps in soothing the skin along with clearing it of impurities like bacterial and fungal infections. Ingredients: 1 aloe vera leaf, 1 tablespoon castor oil. Method: in a bowl, scrape off the gel from aloe vera leaf in water and set aside. To the gel, add 1 tablespoon castor oil and mix well. Gently massage the face and neck areas with the mixture for at least 10 to 15 minutes and leave it on overnight. Next morning, wash it off the face with cool water and regularly use it every day for best result. I will give you the links of ingredients in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share the video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.